Cristiano Ronaldo, the legend of football. Narrator. In the world of football, where name echoes louder than any other, Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, a man whose passion, dedication, and hard work turned him from a poor boy on a small island into one of the greatest footballers of all time. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, on the island of Madeira, Portugal. His family lived a simple and humble life. His father worked as a gardener, and his mother as a cook. Life was tough, but Ronaldo had a dream, to become the best football player in the world. From a very young age, Ronaldo showed remarkable talent and determination. At just 12 years old, he left his home and family to join the Sporting Lisbon Academy, where he trained day and night. His speed, strength, and hunger to win made him stand out. In 2003, at only 18 years old, he caught the eye of Sir Alex Ferguson and joined Manchester United. There, he quickly became a star, winning the FA Cup, Premier League, and his first Ballon d'Or award. His skills, discipline, and unstoppable energy amazed the world. In 2009, Ronaldo moved to Real Madrid, where he reached legendary status. Wearing the number 7 shirt, he broke record after record, scoring over 450 goals and winning 4 Champions League titles. His rivalry with Lionel Messi defined an era in football, pushing both to unimaginable greatness. Later, he played for Juventus in Italy, and then returned to Manchester United, before joining Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia, proving that no matter where he goes, his passion for the game never fades. Beyond football, Ronaldo is a symbol of discipline, hard work, and he is known for his intense training routines, strict diet, and mental toughness. Off the field, he donates millions to charity and supports children in need around the world. Cristiano Ronaldo's journey, from a poor boy in Madeira to a global icon, is not just about football. It's about never giving up, believing in yourself, and proving that dreams can come true with dedication and faith. Moral of the story. Cristiano Ronaldo's life teaches us that success is earned through hard work, passion, and determination. Greatness doesn't come from talent alone, it comes from the will to push beyond every limit.